If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you are using the account for which you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your username or profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Password and Security. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Password and Security section. Click on this option to access your security settings, where you can manage two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After successfully entering the verification code, confirm your changes. You should receive a notification that two-factor authentication has been disabled. Make sure to log out and back in to verify that the changes have taken effect. By following these steps, you can easily turn off two-factor authentication on your Epic Games account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.